In this video, I'll show you how to make or convert a scanned PDF to a searchable PDF using Nitro PDF. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got a scanned PDF here, and if I open it, and we kind of just take a look at it. If I left click and hold, it's not selectable. If I press on Control F to find, and one word that appears consistently is subtitles, it's not possible to search for that word. I know it appears 25 times, but it's not possible. So as I mentioned, for this video, we're going to be using Nitro PDF Pro right here. And all I need to do is just drag the scanned PDF right here. It's going to open up. And one thing you'll take a note of is that it's going to pop up the edit scanned documents feature right here. Make your scanned document editable by using Optical Character Recognition or OCR. I'm going to click on use OCR, and it's converting image-based pages to editable text, which is really awesome to see. And the notification is kinda clear enough on what needs to happen. So we're just going to give it a couple of seconds because we're only dealing with 3 pages of text right here. So it's done. Document is now editable. You can edit text, highlight sections, search your document, and more. We wanted to make our document searchable, and now it is. So what do I need to do from here? I need to go to save as, to save the document, or let's Control Save. I can actually select the original and then change this particular word here, searchable, and click on save. And now it's saved. If we go back to a folder, we now have a new document. And if I just double click on it, and it's going to open up in Edge. If I press on Control F and look for subtitles, all the times the word subtitle appears is now indicated 25 times, which is really good. We've made our PDF searchable, and obviously you can now make selections, and you can also copy and paste somewhere else. And that is how you can use Nitro Pro PDF to convert a scanned PDF to a searchable PDF. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.